How to stake Solana. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial I'll guide you on how to stake Solana, SOL, and earn rewards. Let's get started. First, you need a wallet that supports Solana staking. You can use options like Phantom, Solid, or the Solana CLI. For this tutorial, we'll use Phantom. If you don't have a Phantom wallet, download the extension from the official website. Follow the prompts to create a new wallet or import an existing one. Make sure to securely save your seed phrase. Next, ensure your wallet has some SOL for staking. You can buy SOL for exchanges like Binance or Coinbase and transfer it to your Phantom wallet. Once your wallet is funded, open the Phantom wallet and click on the Solana icon and then tap on Stake. You'll see a list of available validators. Select a validator that you want to delegate your SOL to. Check their performance and commission rates. Once you've chosen, click on Stake SOL next to the validator. Enter the amount of SOL you want to stake and click Next. Review the details, confirm the transaction, and your SOL will now be staked and you'll start earning rewards. And that's it, you've successfully staked your Solana. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.